Well, here we go. We're here somewhere in Montana on a mountaintop, and got kind of a top view of Manhead. And I'm not gonna lie, it looks pretty freaky. And I said I'd show his feet. Well, there are his feet right there, part of the Bitterroot Mountains. He's laying down, is up with the feet perfectly. You do a measurement comparison on a human body today. From the valley down there, it looks like Native American. He looks kind of at peace. But from up here, about at his height, he doesn't look peaceful at all. Looks like he looks freaky. Yeah. There's his feet, and then I'm gonna go up there and go scale those feet and show everybody what they look like. It's actually called Manhead Mountain, this section right in here. So it's a man body. There's a whole body there. You can see it right there. There it is. Wow. Looks amazing from right here. Pretty freaky though, I must admit. That's it. Wow, there it is. Holy smokes. That's nuts looking. Manhead, Montana, stuck in the mud. Drowning in the flood. Thanks for watching, everybody. What's up, Buster? Buster, Buster. Such a good boy. Alright, that's all. That's all we got for today. Crazy.